Let's take a second and decide how we're going to add our data. Some people are having some trouble with the CSV files. So I'm going to show you, we're on Power BI Desktop, as you can see right here. And right here is a Get Data link on the left. So let's look at what we're going to do. We're going to click on the Get Data. We're going to click on the Text CSV form, because that's what form our data said it was in for this assignment. If it was Excel, you'd click on Excel. So we're going to click on the CSV. Then all of the files in our computer that are in that format want to open, but I'm going to go to where I saved this particular folder. I saved it on my desktop, week 2, and yes, you're right, when you open it, it looks like there's nothing there, but it says text files. Click the drop down, hit all files. Look, there it is. We're looking for the SF311 calls. I'm going to click on it. It opens it up. Again, it's in all files. We're going to click on open. Boom, there it is. It has pulled them in. And if you look, you can see that's a preview of all the San Francisco 311 calls that you're looking for. So when you're ready, if that's the file you're looking for, you will click on the load button. And after you click on the load button, it will actually pull them in to Power BI so that you can work on them.